Hi, my name is Katie Allen from Beyoutiful Wandz, and I help lash artists just like you with tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to help me succeed. Welcome to Lash Executives. One question that I get asked a lot is, how much money do I need to start a lash business? When I started my brand, I started with $100. I didn't know anything about the industry, and I kind of started my brand by mistake. But what happened is that I had $100 to invest in tubes and gems from Hobby Lobby. So I took my $100 and I made these wands, and I priced them at a point where I was making a little bit more than what I had invested. So I took my $100 and turned that into $130. And I took that $130 and I turned it into $160. And I took that $160 and I turned it into $190. And then I realized, maybe I need to start charging a little bit more. So I raised my prices a little bit. And as I learned my business, I was able to understand what worked and what didn't work. And so I was able to make this money organically. And what I did was I was able to understand my business to a point where I could eventually pay myself and give myself a percentage of the money that was coming in. I feel like if I took a whole bunch of money to start, say $5,000, and tried to start my brand this way, I would have wasted a lot of money because I didn't go through the pains of learning how to run my business properly. So think to yourself, give yourself this challenge of, what's the least amount of money that I can work with in order to do lashes for one person? Then take the profit from that one person and invest it back into your business. So now you could do 2 sets of lashes, then 3 sets of lashes, and grow it that way. You're gonna be doing yourself such a service at the end. Bottom line, go slowly, learn your lessons. It's okay to grow as you go. Remember, I started this business with $100. This has been Lash Executives, where we teach you tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell below, and make sure that you stay beautiful.